Katie, it's Saturday. So let's get right down to it. You gave me a punishment this week to wear my shag walkers, which I would have so loved to do, but there's a little problem. My mother already returned them. Darn! So while you're thinking of a new punishment, I have mine all planned for you. From evidence I found in a video you did a few weeks ago, you're pretty good at making music videos. And there is an artist of such caliber and excellence that I really think you would make an amazing music video for. With his new movie coming out this month, I think it would really mean a lot to do a tribute to this artist. Yes, that's right, Katie. You'll be doing a music video for Justin Bieber. And we're gonna post it as a response to Justin Bieber's Vevo page on YouTube for the music video he made. So you can show just how creative you are to all of those Bieber addicts. You have 3 weeks to do this project. So I'd like to see it pretty soon. TikTok, Missy! He's just so good at everything. Just make it yours, you know? Make it creative, make it beautiful, make it Katie Bieber. I know you hate me. I don't know why your punishments always have to do with the teen pop stars we hate, but that's just how it is. That's really all I have to say for this week. There's a possibility for a new character, maybe next week. I don't know if she's ready yet, so we'll see. I'll be back at 4 minutes once I get some more material, which I'm sure will be next week. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, DFTBA.